Welcome to Socialindigo, your go-to source for insights that actually matter. Today, we're exploring one of the coolest tools blending art and technology, the best 3D printing pens for DIY creativity in 2025. In this video, we'll be talking about three top brands making waves this year: the MYNT3D Pro, the toddler Start Plus, and the Scribbler V3. What is a 3D printing pen? A 3D printing pen is like drawing in mid-air. Instead of ink, it uses heated plastic filament that cools instantly, letting you bring your ideas to life in 3 dimensions. Why they're so popular? Affordable, portable, and fun for all ages, these pens are being used by kids, hobbyists, and professionals alike. They're perfect for crafting, repairing, and even teaching STEM concepts. 1. MYNT3D Pro 3D Printing Pen. For professionals, the MYNT3D Pro stands out with adjustable speed and temperature, an OLED display, and wide filament compatibility. It's designed for precision and long creative sessions. 2. toddler Start Plus Essentials Pen. For kids and beginners, the toddler Start Plus is safe, simple, and fun. It uses low-heat, eco-friendly filaments and has a one-button design, making it perfect for families and classrooms.
And to finish it off,
3. Scribbler V3 3D Pen. For hobbyists, the Scribbler V3 offers a balance of price and performance. With multiple speed settings, PLA and ABS support, and an ergonomic grip, it's a great all-rounder for everyday projects. Creative possibilities. From custom jewelry and home decor to fixing household items or building prototypes, 3D pens unlock endless DIY potential. The best 3D printing pen depends on your needs. The MYNT3D Pro is ideal for professionals. The toddler Start Plus is perfect for beginners and families, and the Scribbler V3 is great for hobbyists. Whichever you choose, these pens are a gateway to hands-on creativity, innovation, and fun.